Hello and welcome to Little Caesars Amateur Hockey League Redbird Raffle. Today is Friday, January 23rd, 2015. We're here at Hockeytown Cafe. It is 12 o'clock p.m. and we're going to begin with our raffle drawing. Before we begin, we'd like to thank all of our teams and individuals that participated in this year's event. As well, we'd like to thank all of our partners that helped us with our generous donations and prizes. Those include Karani's Hockey World, the Little Caesars Pizza, the Fox Theater, the Detroit Tigers, the Detroit Red Wings, and of course, a big thank you to Hockeytown Cafe. With me, I have Lupe Hernandez with Hockeytown Cafe, and we're going to begin with pulling our grand prize to include a trip for two on the Redbird 3 raffle, flight, hotel, and game tickets to a 2014-15 season road trip with the Detroit Red Wings. Lupe, have you begin?
John Mecca.
John Mecca, ticket number 02541. Again, 02541. Congratulations. All right, we will now move on to an autographed Detroit Red Wings Henrik Zetterberg jersey. It's a tough one to read. I think it's Darlene Saar. Ticket number 39107. Again, that's 39107. We have a phone number on here we will contact. All right, Lupe, let's do one more here. So next up, we're going for one autographed Detroit Red Wings Pavel Datsyuk stick and puck.
Ron Terry, ticket number 20026.
Congratulations, Ron. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Hello. Anna.
Anna here's going to help us out. Anna, you have no tickets inside?
No.
All right. So next up, we're going for an autographed Detroit Tigers Justin Verlander jersey.
Let's go away deep. They're right in the middle of the thing. Richard Mann. And that's ticket number 32363.
All right. Richard Mann, ticket 32363.
Okay, do I do another one?
Yeah, let's do one more. All right, we're going to go for one autographed Detroit Tigers Miguel Cabrera hat and ball. I'm sorry, bat and ball. Bat and ball.
Okay, I want to do gray, deep into the middle, again. There we go. Pull something out.
Tim Shank. Hard to read, but ticket number 48296. Again, we have a phone number for Tim Shank at 48296. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
That was fun.
We have some volunteers.
We have some volunteers here. Say your name?
Brian.
Ryan. Ryan, you have no tickets inside the barrel?
I do not.
All right. Thank you for helping us out here. All right, Brian, we're going to be pulling out a prize for 4 tickets to the Fox Theater with dinner passes for during the 2015-16 season. Christy Schmidt? Christy Schmidt, ticket number 27305. Christy Schmidt, 27305. One more? All right. Now we're going to go for 4 tickets to the Detroit Red Wings regular season game and dinner at the Olympia Club. It's Christopher Dundas. I'm saying that right. Ticket number 18260. Again, ticket number 18260. Thanks for your help.
Thank you very much.
Have another volunteer?
Hello. We have Josh. Josh, you were working at Comerica Park?
Yes, we are.
Very cool. Josh, you're going to help us out and pour 4 tickets to a Detroit Tigers regular season game with 1 parking pass.
Cool.
Herman Cool. Ticket number 26208. Again, Herman Cool, 26208. Congratulations. Let's do one more here. We have Little Caesars Pizza for a year. Oh, the pizza you can eat in the air.
I don't know if that's helpful.
Alright, and we have Brian Everham. Brian Everham, ticket 21808. Again, that's 21808.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Oh, you got one more in you?
Oh, one more?
All right. So our last raffle prize here is $100 gift certificate to Pirani's Hockey World. Great prize for any hockey player. All right. Christine Pierce, ticket number 43577. Christine Pierce, 43577.
Thank you.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. No problem.
Thanks. Thank you to everyone who participated in this year's Redbird Raffle. Again, congratulations to all of our winners. Thank you.